Good morning. What you're seeing is that I'm going to start a new series on curriculum. First, I'm going to talk about basics of curriculum, and it's a 6-set series of videos. So let's understand what is the concept of curriculum. You see, whenever you approach to anything, the approach should be done in a sequence. It should be done in a systematic way and not in a haphazard, in a chaotic way. You see, so the word defined is systems approach. It is approach with an order and sequence, and that is how we teach the students, and that is how the curriculum should be made. As you can see, first they are learning outcomes, then teaching and learning strategies, and assessment and evaluation. This is systems approach to learning, and that forms the root or the center point of making a document of curriculum. So what is this curriculum, such a buzzword around? It is a planned document which provides time-bound schedule of educational activities aimed at achieving predefined learning outcomes. In a document, one can write numerous things. So what components should be written if we want to write a curriculum? That should include course content, learning outcomes, educational strategies, timetables talking about implementation, educational environment, and assessment. These are the components which are usually included in all documents which are called as curricular documents or curriculum simply. Now, what is syllabus? There is much confusion in these two words because once you want to find the definition of these in English dictionaries, then there is confusion. In education, medical education, syllabus is the list of topics. That is called a syllabus. There are many types of curriculum documents or curriculum. It is not necessary what we write in the book that this is the curriculum of the institution. Actually, that is practiced or that is being taught by the teachers. Even if it is taught, there is no guarantee that that is being learnt by the students. So therefore, there is a declared or official curriculum. It is a curriculum that states in a document form what is planned for the students to learn, obviously. There is taught an operational curriculum. It is the curriculum that is delivered to the students. And there is a learned curriculum. It is the curriculum that is experienced by the students. And there can be mismatch. They can be mismatched because of the situation or may not be because of the situation. For example, in a COVID situation, we all have experienced. Okay, if you see the declared official curriculum, which will present in an institution in the form of a book, and what has been taught, which is the taught curriculum, there is a mismatch. And because of the involvement of new teaching strategies, there is a mismatch between learned curriculum and taught curriculum. In addition to this, there is also hidden curriculum. It refers to the unwritten, unofficial, and often unintended lesson, values, and perspectives that students learn in a school. It is the culture of the school by which the students learn these things, and many times in an unconscious way. That is why it is so important to promote a culture and an institution which should be predefined. What's this? Then there is a null curriculum. Refers to the things that students do not have the chance and opportunity to learn. And that is written also. For example, let us say there is a university, like my university. We do not advocate in modules of OBG modules and these modules that the sex education should be given. We don't advocate that. So that will be a null curriculum. Other example of null curriculum can be given is if in social sciences one is teaching a religion and there are many sects of religion based on the laws of that religion. For example, in Islam there are 6 sects all based on schools of law of religion, all are true, all are valid. But our null curriculum is not to focus on those schools, but to concentrate on the thing which is the core. So that is also an example of null curriculum. Talking about official curriculum, taught operational curriculum and learned curriculum, there is an educational implication. An educational implication is there should be minimum mismatch among official and declared curriculum and taught operational curriculum and learned curriculum. That should be the aim of every institution and the faculty and the students to decrease this mismatch. For example, as the COVID situation is going to disappear or become less, this mismatch which is present this year should become minimum next year. Or if we think this is going to persist for a very long time, for years to come, 20, 30 years, then we should change the official and declared curriculum. I hope this helps you. Have a good time. Happy moments.